In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate professional comparison blog posts and create a reusable template for your content workflow. Let's get started. I'll begin by setting the stage with a specific persona prompt. I'm opening my notes and copying a detailed instruction that defines the AI as a comparison blog post writer named Josh. I paste this into the ChatGPT message bar and hit send. The AI confirms it's ready and outlines the principles it will follow, such as being balanced, decision-focused, and using a clear structure for readability. Now that the persona is set, I'll request the first article. I'm copying a prompt for a complete comparison post titled Notion versus Trello. I paste the request, which specifies including a side-by-side table and a final verdict. As the AI generates the response, I scroll through to review the work. It has created a clean introduction, a quick comparison table covering ease of use and features, and dedicated sections for both tools. It even breaks down the pricing and provides a helpful guide on who should choose which platform. Next, I want to try a more complex comparison involving 3 different tools. I'm heading back to my notes to copy a prompt for an email marketing comparison between MailChimp, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign. I paste the instructions into the chat. The AI generates a comprehensive guide, and as I scroll, you can see it comparing the learning curves, automation power, and pricing for all 3 platforms. It concludes with a clear recommendation for different types of users, making the information very easy for a reader to digest. For my third example, I'll ask for an SEO-focused post comparing Teachable and Kajabi for online course creators. I copy the prompt from my notepad and paste it into the chat. This version focuses on specific keywords and value for money. As I scroll down the results, I can see it has organized the content into sections like course creation features, marketing tools, and overall ease of use, ending with a final verdict tailored for first-time creators. Finally, to make my future work even more efficient, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to build a reusable template. I copy the prompt from my document and paste it in. The AI responds with a structured, fill-in-the-blank template that includes sections for the title, introduction, a quick comparison summary, and detailed feature breakdowns. It even adds a pro tip section for using the framework. This gives me a perfect, professional outline that I can use for any products or services I need to compare in the future. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.